So I don't know what's going on right now. My computer's kind of fucked or something. Let me see. Holy shit tits. What the fuck's going on? Oh, something's going on with my comp. Holy shit. What the fuck, OBS? Alright, whatever. Alright, shit. I let that go a little too long. Alright, we're gonna start putting in the shit. Put in two small ones. Alright, so do that. Right. Oh my god, what the fuck is going on with my like encoding problems or something. Where's the bacon? It's right here. Throwing a little salt on these. Pepper. Yeah, but I am gonna add the bacon after also. Hello, Immortal Nova. 1, 2, 3. What's up? So let that go. Rody 1489. Thank you for follow. Oh, the cookie jar, my friend. And yeah, Rody. Yeah. I'm sorry I don't like really see alerts quick enough. It's more of an audio thing for me, but I don't have headphones on, so I can't really see it. Alright, check on my rice. Rice is pretty good. One thing I forgot to do actually was season my rice, but it's alright. You know? How you're new? That's alright. Yeah, new people are always welcome to this stream. This is a stream where new people come and hang out. And Immortal Nova, thank you for the follow. That was a good cookie jar. So. You guys can see like the Brussels sprouts are like starting to sear up really well. That's what I want, right? I want that sear, and then it'll be like super like fucking sick. This shit. Let's be all professional instead. We're like, oh yeah, look at me cooking, and it's like, you know, I'm so good at this. It's my job. I'm a high class, you know, culinary master. Alright, so these are pretty much done. Right? And that's when more bacon comes in. Just toss everything with bacon. Keep that shit up. And then we can start like pretty much plating essentially. Grab a little taste. I want to make sure everything's, you know, good. Oh. I hope you guys understood that. What I said was, if none of you guys speak Chew, the Brussels sprouts are really delicious. They take on the flavor. They take on the flavor of the bacon really well. What's up, Sam? So like you can taste like you essentially taste like bacon smoke through every leaf, right? But it needed a little bit more salt, so I added a little salt to it. That's all I did. I actually turned plate. So plate. What's up, Dan? How are you, friend? So we're gonna have to do this some interesting way. Let me just fluff up my rice real quick. It's pretty good. Only thing is it needs some salt. So we'll just add a bit of salt to it. It's your internet speed immortal. I'm buffering? Oh, I'm sorry, immortal. I had a problem like that before. I don't know what happened because it started like to be alright with my other viewers, but sometimes some viewers come in and they're like, "Oh, I'm buffering." I don't know what to say, man. Alright. So, this is how we're going to plate. We're going to plate the rice first, because that's our starch, right? Starches usually will go down first in any dish. Let's grab some kind of spoon. Stupid. Did I read your past comment? You're in a culinary program? Oh, sick, man. You're hoping to go to Johnson & Wales. Johnson & Wales is actually a really good school. I went to the Cordon Bleu. So. Alright, and then we'll do the veg. That was yeah. Got that. So, what about tongs? Tongs. They're just pretty simple, just like, you know, lay them on, whatever. Stuff like that. If you're going to Johnson & Wales and more, this is like a classic. Brussels sprouts and bacon is something you're probably going to learn. It's really classic, really easy to do. Bacon on it, like that. Yeah, get in there. Just because you can. And then some chorizo and chicken and potatoes. This one, I just know that I need each one thigh per dish, so we'll grab a thigh. So once again, this chicken was like salt, pepper, oregano, and it's been like sitting in this chorizo oil that's been rendered out on the pan. Right. Yeah, chorizo on there, because I mean, who doesn't like chorizo, right? Okay. What's up, Siku? Siku? That, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. You, the guy who just wrote menu. What's up? I'm gonna lay it down there like that. This is like a really fucking filled up plate. So, like I said, I cook for like masses, so it's like you're hungry, you come, man, and you eat. And then I guess. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. This is the pesto that we made. That's the unblanched one. We're gonna put a bit of the spoon on top of the chicken chorizo bit because this was the reason why I made the pesto. Chicken and chorizo is like chorizo's kind of rich and stuff and really meaty. So I thought the pesto would like kind of break it apart and be good and shit. So I do like that. Just on the middle. There you guys go. That's the Brussels sprouts, bacon, rice, chicken, chorizo with arugula pesto on top. And I'm really fucking hungry now. I'm just like looking at it, I'm just like really hungry. Alright, first I gotta take a picture. Give me a picture. Give me a photo. Give me the camera. Camera. Camera? Camera. I'll take it this way. First. Oh, fucking hell. Take one like this. I'll take one like this. Alright. So, I felt like the stream was a lot shorter than my usual streams. Because, I don't know, it felt like there wasn't a lot to do. So, what could I do besides eating it from you guys? I don't want to do that. Oh my god, I peeked the guy. I totally forgot. Oh, dude, if I could peek the guy on top of it, that'd be sick. Oh, actually, you know what? I can do a few things. Cook another meal. Maybe. I thought about it. I could probably cook a dessert. I think I have some ingredients for that, but not today. So, what's up in my kitchen? Dude, you just missed out. I'm about to finish up, bro. Here, in my kitchen. This is what it looks like. This is chorizo chicken with potatoes. This is the Brussels sprouts sauteed with bacon and some like ghetto rice pilaf, man. You overslept? No, man. And it's got this is the, in my kitchen, this is the arugula pesto that I was talking about with almonds and stuff. So I did two of them, right? I did one with blanched arugula to see like how the color would turn out. And I did another one with regular, like, fresh arugula. So this one's the fresh one, right? And then this one is the blanched one. What's up, Fred? How you going, Fred? So, the blanched one is like, the leaves look darker, but it also makes it so that the almonds kind of stand out more, and garlic, which kind of looks bad. But the raw one, the fresh one, like, actually makes like all the colors like better. You can't really see it, but there you go. What's up, Fred? But okay, so next week is Christmas, right? And Christmas is literally on the days I cook, so there won't be a cooking stream for Christmas. The week after that is New Year's, right? I don't know if I'm gonna cook or not. I'm still debating. I'm most likely not gonna cook, but I'm not sure yet. We'll see what happens. If you guys want to you know, be updated, you guys can follow my Twitter. It's on the bottom. You got a bonus, $300 bonus check. Fuck, dude. Aren't I making a Christmas meal? I don't do a New Year's bartending stream. Actually, I could see if my friend wants to do that, but I really doubt it. I don't cook for Christmas. My family doesn't do Christmas. They usually want to just go out, and I don't know. It's whatever. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, if you guys want to keep being updated, you guys can follow my Twitter. It's on the bottom. there's a YouTube command. If you guys want to see other episodes, right? I think this is the command. Yeah. So that playlist has all, or that playlist. That's my YouTube site. You guys can go and watch the VODs of my previous shows. And Andrew, I know you're here. You gotta come and get some food, man. Like, I'm not gonna eat all of this myself. So, yeah. I'm out. Peace. Is there anything else I need to say? Yeah, I'm just gonna eat. I'm out. Peace. Hey, yo, Diamond, you better start streaming. I'm gonna host you. I swear to God.